Fox 5 Health News, bird flu has now been detected in rats, fueling concerns about this disease and its potential to spread to humans.
Joining us now is cardiologist Dr. Jane Morgan. Dr. Morgan, thank you so much for joining us. So this is the latest development in bird flu. It's now in rats. What can you tell us?
You know, not only do we see it in rats, we've seen it in a sea otter and a bobcat and a domestic cat. And it just shows that these animals, wildlife, are also coming in contact with domestic animals as well and farms, and that we're seeing that it does have the ability to spread between mammals, and human beings are also mammals. So we're definitely keeping a close eye on it.
Yeah, right. That's the issue, right? The fact that the more animals we see it in, the fear of the greater odds of it eventually jumping to humans. Have we seen that happen yet or not?
So we definitely have seen it happen. In fact, we have about 70 cases now across 13 states. Most of those states are out west and in the Midwest and West, with the exception of Louisiana. We have unfortunately had 3 deaths. But what we're watching is evidence of human to human transmission. So far, we have not seen that. All of these human beings, people who have been infected, seem to have been infected because they've come in contact with infected livestock, like, you know, our birds and our chickens and our cattle. But the next evolutionary step is that human to human transmission. And that's where we get concerned that there could be on the precipice, we could be on the precipice of a pandemic if we ever see that transmission. So we're keeping an eye on that.
In that study with the rats, or where they detected it, did they see it go from rat to rat?
So it's unclear where the rats obtained it, but the rats were also in the area of a farm where there had been other infected animals. And so just further proof, we don't know when these animals came in contact, but it's further proof that it can spread. This is the bird flu. Let me just start there, because it's supposed to be in wild flocks, wild geese, birds. And now we see that it can be transmitted to farm domesticated birds and chickens, and then to cattle. And now we see to other types of animals. So we see that it has the ability to go among all animals and all mammals, including humans.
Yeah.
So humans are in part of that chain. We are not exempt as mammals, and we have the ability to also contract this.
Yeah, we'll be watching closely. Now to our next topic, Doctor. Artificial